Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the parent Google account that manages Supervision, because only that account can stop it. Once done, keep the child's device nearby with Wi-Fi and some battery. You'll need it online. Now open the Google Family Link app on your phone, tap the child's profile, and move immediately to Controls. This gets you into the right settings where the removal option appears, so you don't waste time navigating menus. Next, go into the Child Profile's Manage settings and choose the relevant controls. For device supervision, check Device Settings. For App/Activity controls, check Google Play. Then select Stop Supervision or Remove Account, depending on which option appears. This difference exists because Family Link evolves and labels vary. You'll see prompts explaining consequences like lost restrictions and saved data changes. Follow the on-screen prompt step by step, because some actions require confirming your Google password or using the child device for final approval. Finish by confirming removal. You'll usually be asked to confirm with your password, and then the child's device will sign out of the supervised account and lose restrictions. Make sure to unlock the child device if prompted so the removal completes locally. If something goes wrong, update the Family Link and Google Play Services apps, restart both devices, and verify internet connectivity and Google Sign in status. These steps fix most hiccups and allow you to retry the removal without losing important account data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.